Hey Nesties, if you're brand new here, my name's Ashley and I run an eco-friendly blog called MyGreenNest.com. I've been cloth diapering for about 7 years and I've got all kinds of free resources and reviews for you guys to check out. And I hope you'll take the time to give this video a like. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump right into the review. So Grovia is one of the first cloth diaper brands that I actually fell in love with. Everything they make is super high quality. I'd consider it more of a luxury cloth diaper brand. They believe in sustainability and they have a very modern and sleek look. Now I've actually reviewed their hybrid cloth diaper and their regular all-in-one cloth diaper, and you can check those reviews out in the link in the description below. I'll place them there if you want to check out my older reviews. However, after using the cloth diapers for several more years, I have a little bit of an update to the review, and I'm going to leave that at the end of this video. We're going to go ahead and review the Grovia One, but if you're interested in learning my update on the hybrid cloth diaper and their regular all-in-one, just stay tuned to the end of this video. And as always, I will place links to all the products I talk about in the description below as well. So over the last several decades, cloth diapers have gone through several transformations, and it seems like today there are limitless possibilities and combinations available to us. However, Grovia still managed to innovate and think outside the box. They came up with a cloth diaper that basically does it all. It was marketed as the only diaper or the one diaper that you will ever need. So if you're brand new to cloth diapers and you have no idea which cloth diaper type to start with out of all the different types that are out there, the Grovia One is definitely a good option, at least to start out with. Now if you haven't been following my blog very long, I've been cloth diapering for 7 years, and I blog on cloth diapers and I use a lot of different types. And if one of my Grovia One diapers was clean and ready to go, it was definitely one of the ones that I would grab for first out of the stash. So one of the really unique features about this particular cloth diaper is its ability to convert from snap to hook and loop closures. So anytime you purchase a Grovia One cloth diaper, it's going to come with a hook and loop attachment that you can conveniently snap right over the snaps, allowing your diaper to Velcro open and shut. So this is the first cloth diaper that I know of that you can convert to the closure of your choice at any time. Now to be honest, I always prefer snaps over Velcro, and I never really used the hook and loop option, so I can't really judge how well the hook and loop held up over time because I didn't really use it. However, I could really see its benefit if you wanted to try out both options but didn't want to buy two separate cloth diapers. Another benefit that I can see with the hook and loop attachment is like if you were wanting to leave your child with a babysitter that was new to cloth diapers, or maybe you have grandparents that you wanted to leave them with and maybe their hands aren't as good with snaps, you could quickly convert it over to hook and loop to make it easier for them. Or maybe you want to use this diaper for overnights and you don't want to fuss with snaps in the middle of the night. Now besides the unique double closure feature, this cloth diaper is your standard all-in-one cloth diaper. That means that it can fit multiple size ranges, ranging from 10 to 35 pounds on average. This diaper features your typical snap-down rise where you can adjust the size to small, medium, and large. The Grovia One is not a good fit for preemies, newborns, or generally very small babies. Until the child reaches a healthy 10 pounds, these diapers are not going to fit very well. However, in most cases, once your baby reaches the 10-pound range, this diaper will probably last you until the potty training stage. So Grovia does actually make newborn cloth diapers, which are really good for the early days. I've actually reviewed their newborn cloth diapers before, and I'll place a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And I also recently found out that they make a big one diaper for bigger toddlers or special needs children, or children that just struggle with incontinence issues in general. And these are built exactly the same way as the regular one diaper, but these will start from 35 and go all the way to 70 pounds. And I really like that Grovia is now offering this option because there are some kids that do continue to need cloth diapers. Now the inside of the diaper is lined with a thick microfleece material, and the soaker pad is topped with 100% cotton, but inside it is layered with a polyester microfleece. So the fabric does feel dry on the baby, and one of the benefits to this diaper is you don't have to prep it to begin using it. You can just wash it one time and it's ready to go, where there are some natural fibers in other cloth diapers that you have to wash like multiple times in order to get the natural oils out before you can start using them. However, with this cloth diaper, you're going to be able to use it right off the bat. Now this all-in-one cloth diaper actually has an insert that snaps in, and it also comes with a booster that you snap directly under the insert.
And I really like it when all-in-one cloth diapers do this because sometimes I like to wash my inserts, pre-folds a little more heavily. Sometimes I like to use a little bleach on them, and I don't like to do that to the shells of my diaper. I also like that you can separate it all because it helps speed up drying time since it's not all together. And I honestly really like the Snap-in booster. This really helps absorb a lot, so you're not dealing with leaks and you're not constantly changing cloth diapers. And that's another reason why I highly recommend this diaper, is because you will rarely ever deal with leak issues. It really absorbs a ton, and it's really good for nighttime cloth diapering. Now, one of the other really unique things about this Grovia 1 diaper, or any Grovia diapers in general, is that the diaper shells are not actually made with PUL like most cloth diapers are. Instead, their diaper shells are made with the TPU laminate, which is really good news for some parents who are having trouble finding a diaper that their kid doesn't break out to. Some kids are actually allergic to PUL, and so by switching to TPU laminate diapers, you may fix that issue. Now, Grovia has their own brand of snaps, and they work incredibly well. They snap super easy. I really admire and like their snaps. Their elastic is very high quality. It's very stretchy. They have it in the back. They have it on the sides. It's a really well-made diaper overall. Now, I do feel like the elastics in the Thirsties Duo Wrap covers last a little bit longer than the Grovia ones, but you're still going to get a lot of use out of these before they wear out. Now, one of the main downsides to this diaper is not actually its function, it's how expensive they are. At the recording of this video, they're about almost $25 a piece. However, I would watch for sales, and also if you want to get a bunch of them, get the bundle, and sometimes you can get a better deal that way as well. Now, for the blue whale diaper you see in this video, I bought that right when the 1 diaper came out. And the purple one I bought more recently, and I noticed that they had an update which I really liked. So they put like this TPU strip here at the top, which I really like because that means it keeps the moisture from wicking all the way to the top of the diaper and getting your child's clothes wet, which was a truly brilliant update. So to wrap everything up, if you have the money or you can put this diaper on your baby registry and you're brand new to cloth diapers, I definitely recommend at least getting 1 or 2 of these to try out because they are no fuss, they're absorbent, and they're extremely versatile. The most versatile diaper I think I've seen yet. So that concludes my honest review for the Grovia 1 diaper. Now, as promised, here are my updated thoughts on the Grovia Hybrid and the Grovia All-in-One. One of the things that I wanted to mention that may not have been so apparent in the original review was with the Hybrid, it's still a fantastic diaper. I really enjoyed using it, but if you do get the Velcro, it wears out pretty quickly. Now, it's possible that they remedied this problem because I bought these diapers like 7 years ago, but for me, the Velcro did wear out really quickly. It's really strong at first, and then it wears out. So if you're gonna go for the Grovia Hybrid, I would definitely recommend the snaps. So for my final thoughts on the Grovia All-in-One cloth diaper, it's a really sleek and very cute diaper. I feel like it's better geared towards smaller sized babies, but if I could do it all over again, I probably wouldn't have purchased this diaper because it doesn't hold as much urine as the Grovia 1 or the Hybrid. So that's it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video.